RGH Falcon I got off of 7 Sins for $150 from a great buyer. Here I got an unboxing. I already sliced it open. Make time less. Right, here we go. Alright, got some nice packing. We got the AV cables, the power brick, and then here is the RGH with a 20GB hard drive. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a setup video after this, and yeah. My RGH unboxing. I got it up and running, everything. Right now I'm installing, just to prove, I'm installing a game. And you see Freestyle Dash behind there. Yeah, so everything's legit. Yeah, peace out.